Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to Law Statistics. Today's presentation is based on the topic How to Draft a Plaint. In CPC Order 6, Rule 1 to 18 deals with the pleading mainly. Order 7, Rule 1 deals with the requirement of the plaint. It means what particulars are there in the plaint. For better understanding, we can divide the plaint in three parts as mentioned below: the heading and title, the body, and last one is the relief. First one is the heading. At the beginning, the plaint should contain the name of the court in which the suit is brought. Rule 1, Clause A, Order 7 for example, in the Court of District Judge at Patna. As we start with the name of the court, after that, in the next line, the number of the suit and the year to be written in the following manner as mentioned: suit number of 2018 or original suit number of 2018. Point captain note is that place for number should be left blank, which will be filled by the court officials only. Then comes the title. As we write the heading, title should be written as per Rule 1, Clause B, Order 7. It generally contains the name, description, place of residence of the plaintiff. Point kept in note is that there may be one or more plaintiff and addresses may be different. True details of each of the plaintiffs should be given, not fake one to misguide. Here, when we see the word description, it includes the name of the father of the plaintiff. The purpose is to identify the plaintiff. The plaintiff may be minor or a person of unsound mind. There is a need of detailed statement. Rule 1, Clause D, Order 7. Because a minor or insane person can sue or be sued for this purpose. As we have mentioned the name of the plaintiff, name of the defendant or defendants must be written as mentioned as per Rule 1, Clause C of Order 7. Form of the title is given below. The forms are given in Appendix A of the Code of Civil Procedure. Order 6, Rule 3 provides the forms in Appendix A when applicable, and they are not applicable form of the like character. Nearly as may be shall be used for all pleadings. These forms shows that a statement as to when the cause of action arose and the court has jurisdiction may be written jointly in one paragraph. If we talk about a general suit, it is as follows: that A, B, son of, then we are writing the names of the plaintiff, and secondly we have to write the name of the defendants. In case of minor and unsound mind person, we have to write A, B, son of so, a minor by C, D, son. Now we have to write the names of other plaintiff too. Now we have to write versus, then the defendant's name particularly. Now, in case of a joint Hindu family, we have to write A, B, son of as manager karta of a joint Hindu family. And in case of a representative suit, A, B, son of suing on behalf of himself and one of the stakeholder Sikh resident of the village. Now, in the case of trust, we have to write A, B, son of managing trustee Kalumal Dharamshala, etc. And second is the body. Now comes the second part, that is we have to write the name of the managing trustee in the case of trust, and the body includes the following parts. In plaintiff, this is the most important part as we can divide it into short paragraph. Order 7, Rule 1 requires that the plaint shall contain the facts constituting the cause of action and when it arose. Generally, it contains two parts. The first part of this clause are all the facts. Point to be noted here is that date of cause of action, which is very important. In the plaint, one must give the exact date of the cause of action. Condition where the exact date is not known or not remembered, plaintiff can give the near date. Now is the valuation of suit. The Suit Valuation Act 1887 states that the mode of valuation certain suits is for the purpose of determining the jurisdiction of the court. The plaintiff has the duty to write clearly and separately in his plaint the valuation of his claim for the purpose of court fees and jurisdiction that matters at the last. Now is the court fee. Court fees are payable according to the provisions of the Court Fees Act 1870. Then comes the jurisdiction part. Section 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20 of the Civil Procedure Code lay down the rules for the purpose of jurisdiction. Section 15 provides every suit shall be instituted in the court of the lowest grade competent to try it. Section 16 provides the provisions regarding institution of suit of immovable property and for the recovery of movable property actually under distraint or attachment. All the suits related to immovable property under distraint or attachment shall be instituted in the court within the local limits of whose jurisdiction the property belongs, provided that a suit to obtain relief respecting or compensation for wrong to immovable property. Now is the relief part. Here the point is to be noted is that in condition of no prayer for a particular relief and no pleading to support the relief, when defendant has not given any opportunity to oppose such a relief, if the court considers and grants such a relief, it would lead to miscarriage of justice. It is believed that no amount of evidence on a plea that is not forward in the pleadings can be looked into to grant any relief furthermore. Pleading to be signed. Order 6, Rule 14 of CPC provides every pleading to be signed by the party and his pleader. It is provided that where a party pleading is unable to sign the pleading, it may be signed by any person duly authorized by him. Now is the verification of pleadings. Order 6, Rule 15 of CPC provides the mode of verification of pleadings. Every pleading shall vary at the foot by the party or by one or any of the parties' pleadings prove to the satisfaction of the court to be acquainted with the fact. The second point is the person verifying shall specify what he verifies is his own knowledge and what he verifies upon information received and believed to be true. The third point is the person making it verification shall be signed it and shall state the date on which it was signed. The last one is an affidavit in support of his pleadings must be furnished by the person verifying the pleadings. That's all for today's presentation. Thank you and have a great day.